Alright, here's how to cut your blog content creation time by 98% by using a tool called Arval. So what you want to do is you want to basically come into the dashboard of Arval. By the way, you can try this tool for free. Click on SEO article and then here input a keyword. So once you input a keyword, it's just going to take you into the landing page called input page. And here you can customize a whole lot of inputs right here. And you can customize it. I have talked about this detail in a video. I'll leave the link in the description. And simply click on generate article. So let's just wait for it to generate article, and it's just gonna take into the generations page. Now once the article is right, we have gotten an article, and once the article is generated, this is how it looks like. So let me take into the next page. So we have gotten the article right here, as you can see. Cool. So with FAQs, and this is how you cut your content creation time by 98%.